In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Bluehost email. This process is pretty straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to visit your webmail login page. To do this, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. In the address bar at the top, type your website's domain followed by webmail. So you'll type something like yourdomain.com webmail. Of course, replace yourdomain.com with the actual domain name associated with your email account. Once you've entered the correct address, hit Enter on your keyboard to load the page. Now that you're on the login screen, it's time to enter your credentials. You should see fields asking for both your email address and password. Be sure to input your full email address in the email field. This should include everything before and after the @ symbol, like email protected. For the password field, type in the password that is linked to this email account. Make sure you enter it accurately, as passwords are case sensitive. If you've typed everything correctly, click the Login button to proceed. Upon successful login, you'll see a choice of different webmail clients. Bluehost offers a couple of options for you, including Roundcube and Horde. Each of these clients has unique features and a different interface, so you might want to try them out to see which one suits your preferences best. Roundcube tends to be a popular choice for its user-friendly design and functionality, while Horde offers more advanced features if you need something a bit more robust for managing your emails. Once you've decided on which webmail client you'd like to use, click on Open or Log In next to your chosen client. This action will load the email interface, giving you access to your inbox where you'll see all your received messages, and from there, you can start composing new emails, organizing your mailbox, and much more. And there you have it. You've now successfully logged into your Bluehost email. I hope these instructions were clear and easy to follow. If you experienced any issues along the way, double-check your domain and credential entries for accuracy and ensure your internet connection is stable. Feel free to explore the various functions your chosen webmail client has to offer and take advantage of its tools to improve your email experience. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to access your Bluehost email, and happy emailing!